Thank you, sir. See you at 12 p.m. I must update the
भाई
link on
देखो
this app
ये फुल
before I
नींद में
start
इस
calling
टाइम
another merchant for
इसे
appointment.
कुछ नहीं पता बैग कहाँ पड़ा और मोबाइल कहाँ पड़ा हुआ, चाहे कोई भी उठा के ले जाए, कुछ नहीं पता इसे।
What if your merchant does not give you time to meet today? Let's learn how should you follow up with these merchants over telephone. That's okay, sir. Can I meet you tomorrow? What needs to be done when agent is at a merchant's store? Visit the store and do check-in. Then, educate merchant about business loan from the PhonePe platform. Assist merchant on getting loan from business app. Ask merchant to click loan banner on PB app. Offer screen will be visible where multiple loan offers are visible. For merchants having single offer, this screen will not be visible. Select the offer basis discussion with the merchant. Toggle loan amount as desired by the merchant and click on complete KYC. How to pitch loan to a merchant? But first, let's learn points to follow before pitching loan. Book an appointment, ask for PhonePe services and then approach the merchant on time and explain the loan offer to the merchant on the shop with dedicated time slot. Equated daily installments is a unique selling point. It reduces burden from merchant for big repayments, starting from 40 rupees daily. Ensure you build a long-term relationship with the merchant. If merchant gets a small loan, make him see the opportunity of bigger loan in the future basis the first loan. Identify local opportunities or festive seasons and change your pitch to include business expansion and need of credit to manage demand of the shop or expansion. Now, follow these steps to pitch loan to a merchant. Hi sir, I am Sachin from PhonePe.
Hi Sachin.
Sir, now, you can grow your business bigger and improve your credit score at the same time with PhonePe loan in just a day. Really? How is that? With the help of PhonePe,
Bhai,
you can
bhai.
obtain loan up to 10 lakh with attractive interest rate and no paper or documentation.
बता दो यार।
You can use the Sir, we have flexible tenure for you to choose from, and we deduct a small amount daily towards installment to help you.
ज़्यादा पी ली क्या?
तेरा मोबाइल कहाँ है? मोबाइल
घरवाली पे है।
घरवाली कहाँ है? घरवाली कहाँ है?
अब बोलिया हाँ जी बोलिया।
ये है नजीबाबाद का, ये वीडियो थी नजीबाबाद की और ये मोबाइल जो इसका था हमने दे दिया है अब टॉयलेट के पास, मतलब ये वॉशरूम में था कुछ सिस्टम,
Sir, interest
इनको
rates
दे दिया भाई
depends
को।
on your credit score and task listing.
अब उठा भाई।
Discover task and add filters. Select objective as lending with SS offer. Now select task type as which PhonePe loan to merchant. Apply filters. Click on the task visible here. Assign the task to yourself. Click on my task and then go to task. Reach merchant location and pitch PhonePe business loan with smart speaker offer to the merchant. These only, you will have to pay 999 rupees initially and get a cashback of 300 rupees. So the effective setup fee of 699 rupees will be
अरे
only
थाने में
charged
जमा
to
हो
you.
गया होगा वो तो।
Further, you will have to only pay
बस सेवा
49
में नहीं है
rupees
भाई।
monthly rental.
That's great.
Sir, if you agree, I would help you in getting business loan first and then deploy smart speaker at your store.
पहचान बता दे। कलर में कैसा है?
अरे नीला कवर है यार।
नीला।
कवर कंपनी कौन सी? वो कौन सी कंपनी का है तो बता दे।
Selected merchants.
कंपनी का
As per the offer, if the eligible
कौन सा
merchant
company
closes
का?
loan agreement using PhonePe business app and
Company
gets
कौन सी
smart
phone की?
speaker with lifetime plan within 15 days of
और दोबारा
lending
देखियो,
agreement
आई
closure, he will get a cashback of 300 rupees on smart speaker. Once the smart speaker is deployed, cashback will be received within
Vivo
24
का आ गया,
hours of
Vivo का?
मैं
deployment.
मुझे बता दो नंबर
Let's look
पूछना
at how
लगा।
to reach merchants and pitch lending with smart speaker offer.
लोग खोल दो यार।
Open ASAP. Click on task listing.
By clicking Get Loan in Loan banner, the offer page will appear. In loan offer page, available loans will be displayed.
आओ यार।
Merchants increase or decrease
देते
their
हो
loan
तो इसके।
amount by using the drag bar. Based on their selection, they can see the loan details. Once merchant has
मिल गया इधर? और
15,000 is loan amount, 2% is
Huh?
interest rate, and tenure is 9 months, giving us total interest amount to be repaid. Total loan and total
हाँ भाई फोन कहाँ गिरा था फोन? क्या ना है उधर गिरा था सोते टाइम। मैंने उठाया भी उठाई ना भाई। नजियात फुल नींद में चित।